you doing, family? Welcome back to the Wealth Giant Academy with your host, Enoch, the Wealth Giant. Uh, I'm coming to y'all this late Wednesday night because I was sort of busy today, and I haven't made a couple of videos in a week because I've been doing my real estate thing. Actually, been making my real estate videos, my wholesaling videos for y'all to actually get into, and I just haven't edited them yet because that's a lot of hard work. But I love the hard work, especially if it's something that is going to help teach y'all and motivate y'all to basically change your lives financially, and to create passive income and generational wealth for your future generations. But today, if y'all looked at the market, there's a lot of red. And the only reason, I don't want y'all to panic. Like I told y'all in the video, y'all go back and look at my old videos. Those who haven't, went back and looked at my videos. And by the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so now and hit the notification bell for my new videos. Also, please hit the like button. But I got a few things to talk about. I don't want to keep y'all too long. But Feds are still, having this conversation about inflation because they're trying their best actually not to, which I like. I actually like how they're going at it this time. But when they speak about certain things, especially with the dreaded word inflation, it's going to affect basically like it has today in the last couple of days, EVs and tech stocks. They're going to take a dip, which is a good thing for us because like I tell y'all, this is what we call the gift that keeps on giving. When it get low and people get scared, some people panic. Though the rookies, the beginners, they panic and they sell. When they start seeing it red or start seeing it going into negative. But we know as smart investors, we don't do that. We actually buy. We buy that dip because a lot of the good stocks I tell y'all to focus on is not a falling knife. It's actually something that we should be buying. We should be buying that dip. Uh, but this is basically what's been going on. This is why you probably see your portfolio kind of red today because of the Fed talk. That's not going to last through the summer. Definitely not. Your portfolio going to jump right back, whether you add money to it or not, to buy more stocks. But let me say this. This particular video, I always have to say this, even though I put a disclaimer in the video. This particular video is for edutainment only. Uh, Education first, but also entertainment. But I don't want y'all to panic. Just ride it out as y'all did this whole year, and y'all see what's been going on with your portfolios. You're going to see the green. It's going to come back, whether you add money or buy extra shares of certain companies you like or not. But this is what you have to do. You have to just ride the wave. As investors, we don't need panic. I don't even look at my brokerage. I might look at it 1 or 2 times a day when I know what's going on because I'm looking at the news. I'm looking at Yahoo News. I'm looking at Bloomberg reports. I'm looking at Seeking Alpha reports, different things that these analyst companies are saying, and I know as a smart investor not to worry about it. It's okay because it's going to bounce back. And if you have some extra money on the side, buy the stocks that you love. Buy the stocks that you know going to come back anyway, especially when they're on sale. Because that's all it is. It's a big sale. It's Christmas, y'all. That's all it is. But besides that, and I'm going to show y'all my portfolio, but besides that, I want to speak about a few things. YouTube, for whatever reason, is shutting down some of the bigger channels. I don't know if y'all familiar with Stockmo, but they've sent letters to people like Stockmo and a few other channels saying they're going to shut they might shut their channels down. These are stock guys, people who talk about stocks and investments just like me. My channel is smaller because I just started this channel not long ago. But they're talking about actually shutting these people down. And the reasons are really, it's really like nothing. They're saying stuff like, I guess, extra commenting or something. I guess some of the guys like Stockmo and others, maybe when people hit them in the comments, they answer them back. And so the letter that I seen on Stockmo's video, if y'all go and visit Stockmo channel, and even Stock Up with Larry Jones, he's saying that he might, I think he said he got a letter or they might try to shut him down. And basically, I think it's over spamming it, or either YouTube is thinking these guys are spamming their own channel, which makes no sense. So my theory, and I'm not big on conspiracy theories, but there is a such thing as conspiracy theories. We know this through American history. My conspiracy theory is that the hedge guys, the people who are actually against us, against the small investor, the retail investor, or the people they call our money dumb money. I think they might be, I don't know, in cahoots with YouTube. They might shut me down after making this video for saying this. They might be in cahoots with YouTube or something. I don't know to actually get these guys off of, because these people have major followers and they give good advice. They give good advice. So the key point is that actually the bigger fish, the billionaires, the multimillionaires, the hedge fund guys, they don't actually want the retail investor to be educated on stock market investing. It's simple as that. I've told y'all that. This is why you have to get in the game. Anytime they don't want you in it, you should be trying to run in it butt naked on fire with gasoline. So this is just my thoughts on it. But like I said, man, I'm going to share my portfolio. As y'all know, I'm always transparent with my portfolio. So, but this is it's like I said, I guess it's not just written in stone that they're gonna knock these guys' channel off, but that would be a big loss for the YouTube stock investing community if that happens. But I'm going to put these guys' links in this particular video for y'all. But as y'all see my position today, sent them down 115. That's just for the day. I'm really down more than that uh, for the last week. But y'all see over here, you look at day game, you see all this red. Neo, which is one of my favorite, one of the best EVs on the market. Charge Point, look at all of them down today. Everybody down. Golden Nugget is down. Everybody. BNGO, which is another good stock. And for some reason, BNGO just ain't been able to catch up. I got 555 shares of that. You see LI, which is a great company. Li Auto out of China, they down today. Solo been down. Ford and GM is even down. BTG, which is a gold. I think I told y'all about it. It's a gold corp. It's a really good company. They're only $4.14 a share right now. They down. You see Maine, which has been one of my biggest winners for the last 8 months, is down. Like I say, GM, LFC, which is another Chinese, this is an insurance company, big time company. All the analysts say buy them, but everybody down because of what the Feds are talking about. You see, Bank of America, I ain't seen Bank of America in the red in 2 months. Another bank, like I say, I always keep some financials. You want to keep your portfolio diversified. This is a Bank of Nova Scotia. They down. LVGI, which is really nobody. They can't actually catch a grip, but I have a lot of shares in them. But I ain't gonna sell them. Just keep it. Something might happen. And that's another thing. If you got to stop and you didn't pay a lot for it, don't panic if it's not doing good. You can always maneuver out of it or pivot out of it and just get some more stocks. But I'm not really worried about it. You got Iron Mountain green, stay green. Coca-Cola in the green. Coca-Cola basically stay in the green. Cleveland Clips, which is another good company. $21.39 a share. They was up, and Capital Southwest and Coinbase was up today. Was in the green today. I'm shocked. I have almost 100 shares of that. Eventually Coinbase and Bitcoin and all that is eventually going to make you rich if you don't invest in it. It's been looking crazy, and the whole thing a couple of weeks ago with China trying to do, regulations against them, because of course China got their own crypto. They want to blow up their own crypto. I get it, and they basically, a country that tries to control everything. Well, they do try. They don't try. They do control everything. They control their people. So they don't actually want Bitcoin, a foreign currency, to be making money. I get it. But the millionaires and billionaires over here ain't worried about that because they know Coinbase is going to eventually take off. Bitcoin, which I always tell y'all is the godfather, is going to take back off too. Ethereum, uh, ADA, Cardano, VeChain, all of these, Polygon, all these things going to take right back off like a rocket. So all y'all got to do is be patient. But as you can see, that's how red my portfolio was today. So basically, man, what I want to tell y'all is not to panic. Just look at the news, financial news, and just see what's going on. They're gonna always let you. It's always gonna be a reason, especially when you got good companies. You got good companies, and I said I was gonna make a particular video strictly on how to actually screen your stocks, screen the best stocks. low price stocks, whether they're large cap, mid cap, small cap. And I'm going to show you on a lot of different ways. FinViz is one of my favorite, besides TD Ameritrade, because TD Ameritrade, which is one of my brokerages, I also have webull. Oh, and by the way, hit my link below. If you haven't signed up to webull, please hit my link below. Use my link, WealthJohn link, and you're gonna get 4 stocks up to $2,500. So make sure you use my link and open up your webull account. You don't need to put but $100 in it. I love webull. So webull is a great brokerage, uh, very great brokerage. And TD Ameritrade, some of my top 2 brokerages that I use. So basically, man, just don't panic. I want y'all to win, man. I want y'all to win. I want y'all to be successful in this game, because this is the way to go. Stop investing long-term, short-term growth stocks, dividend stocks, and I'm gonna get off into all the different types of stocks, and the best stocks to actually get into now. Like me, for example, I'm still buying EV. EV is the future. Electric vehicles, Ford done got into the game. That's why I got so many Ford stocks. That's why I have GM stocks. That's why I have NEO. That's why I have ChargePoint. EV is the future. I don't know how long gasoline engines are going to last. Maybe another 20 years, 30 years, but EV is going to knock it all out. It's the future. So just picture yourself in the 40s looking into the 60s, looking 20 or 30 years or the 70s. That's how you have to understand how the market is going to move, how the world is going to move. The market is going to move along with the world. This is why tech stocks, Apple, and all these other tech stocks, you ain't got to worry about until some other big tech company come and knock Apple out. I don't know how long that's going to be, but you can't lose with things like that. Nike, you can't lose with Nike. You can't lose with Coca-Cola. You can't lose with financials. And I know some of the prices might be out of range, but this is why I like Webull is about to do stock splices too, where you can actually buy shares. And I told y'all before, Charles Schwab is another brokerage that I use that you can buy stock slices. And what I mean by stock slices, Tesla's $500-600 a share. You can buy pieces. You can put $150 on Tesla share. And when Tesla go up, you're gonna go up. Same thing you can do, same like you can do with crypto. Coinbase is one of the top uh, as far as platforms for crypto, but I use Voyager. Then you have BlockFi, which I think is probably one of the best ones as far as crypto, because you actually own your wallet. Voyager, you don't really own your wallet, so you have to be careful about that. Do your research, your due diligence, because when you invest in crypto, you actually want to own your wallet. You don't want your wallet you be just dependent on an app or dependent on a platform to protect your crypto, because crypto just ain't been around long enough. Just 10 years or so, it ain't been around long enough for just a full protection. You know what I mean? Like stock market. Stock market is basically it's protected. You know what I mean? You ain't basically got to worry about it when you're on platforms like TD Ameritrade, Charles Schwab, Webull, so forth, so forth. When I'm dealing with stocks, crypto, you basically want to own your wallet. This is why a lot of people that invest in crypto, they get what you call cold wallets. They have what you call hot wallet. Hot wallet is basically electric. Like email or whatever. The cold wallet is something. It's just a manual. It's a manual thing where you know what you have, and can't nobody steal it because it can't be hacked. A cold wallet can't be hacked. So I just wanted to drop this video on y'all, man. And now because I'm doing so much with my new real estate investing family. Been doing so much, learning a lot of different things because I'm continuing to learn. I don't care how much money I make, I'm going to continue to learn and invest in myself. But as far as real estate, like I said, I'm going to release these real estate videos, and I always keep that in my link too. So y'all want to learn how to wholesale houses, flip houses, make money, then just hit the link below. But definitely open up a Webull account, use my link below, and get you some free stock. It's free. It's free. Gonna be valued up to $2,000, $2,500. So y'all just make sure y'all do that, man. And I see y'all on the next video. I'm Enoch Welch, and I'm out.